Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to do anonymous question on Instagram. So before starting the videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So let's get started. So let me just go to my Instagram here, and after going to my Instagram, what you have to do, simply click on this option, and then after clicking to this option, what you have to do, just simply let me just click on picture here, and then you have to click on this option, sticker option, you can see here. So to do your anonymous question, just simply click here, and then here you'll find an option for question. So what you have to do, just simply tap on the question, and then here you can see ask me a question. So what you have to do, ANONYMS, ask me a anonymous question. So now after doing this, just simply you can give up like this, and then you can change the color. You can give up song also, and you can just change the color also. You can see here how to change the color. Here you will find one option here, you can see here, this one. So you can just change the color. So I will just go for green, and then just click on send to option and share on your story. So here you can see, you can just tap here, and how do you stay at home. So in this way you can do anonymous questions on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.